Today I want to talk about something very important in the world of education, the subject knowledge of a teacher. A teacher must have strong knowledge of the subject they teach. This is the foundation of effective teaching. When a teacher understands the subject deeply, they can explain concepts clearly, break down complex ideas, and make the topic easy and enjoyable for students to learn. Think about it. Would you feel confident learning from someone who is unsure of what they are teaching? Probably not. That's why good subject knowledge builds confidence, both in the teacher and in the student. When students ask questions, a knowledgeable teacher can provide accurate answers and even go beyond the textbook to expand their understanding. But subject knowledge is more just knowing facts. It helps teachers connect lessons to real life. For example, a science teacher can relate a topic to everyday technology, or a history teacher can draw lessons from the past to make sense of the present. These connections through real world examples and stories make learning meaningful, practical, and memorable. Now, here is something important to understand. Having knowledge is not enough. A great teacher must keep updating their knowledge. Education is always evolving. New discoveries, fresh ideas, and innovative methods keep emerging. A good teacher is a lifelong learner, always curious, always growing. So, how can a teacher build and improve their subject knowledge? Many effective ways we can add. Read regularly. Stay in touch with the latest books, research, and curriculum updates in your subject areas. Attend workshops and training. Educational seminars, webinars, and professional development sessions can help you learn new teaching strategies and content. Join professional communities, online forums, teacher groups, and subject specific associations are great places to exchange ideas and keep learning from others. Learn from feedback. Students' questions and classroom experiences often show us what we need to explore further. Use these moments to grow. Use digital resources. Today, there are countless videos, podcasts, and online courses that make it easier than ever to learn anytime, anywhere. Practice and effect. The more you teach, the more you understand. Reflecting on each lesson help you spot gaps and improve. In conclusion, deep subject knowledge is a powerful tool. It builds trust in the classrooms, make teaching effective, and helps students grow into confident learners. But remember, knowledge is not a one-time achievement. It is a journey. A great teacher is not only a source of knowledge, but also a seeker of knowledge. So let's keep learning, keep growing, and keep inspiring.